Hi friends, today we have a very interesting puzzle that we would like to crack out here. So let's look at the puzzle right now. It says, will you crack the code? And it is a 3-digit code that we need to crack. There are 5 criteria given. We need to use all those criteria and see which one fits well and find the code. So we need to get a 3-digit number which will crack the code, and let us see criteria 1. Criteria 1 says, one of the 3 numbers given is correct and it is well placed, which means either of these 3 numbers, 6, 8, 2, one of them is correct and it is in the right position. So right now we cannot take a call on it. So let's see criteria number 2 or condition number 2. It says one number is correct but it is in a wrong place. Now let's take number 6. 6 cannot be that number because 6 cannot, in condition 1 it says if the number is correct it's in the right place. And now if 6 was correct and if it was 6, then it has to be in the right place, but it is this condition says the correct number is in wrong place. So 6 is ruled out here. So let's take off 6 from this condition. So from let's visit criteria 1 again. So from criteria, the 2 numbers could be either 8 or 2. We are not sure which one is correct, but they are in the right position. It can be either 8 or 2. And then we have the second criteria which says 1 and 4, and of these one of the number is correct but it is in the wrong place and we cannot take a call again. Now let's come to criteria 3, which says 2 numbers are correct but they are in wrong places. Now let's say if 2 numbers are correct and they are in wrong places, 6 is ruled out because we've already taken off 6 here. So the 2 numbers we know they are 2 and 0. So one of them, both of them are correct rather, but they are in wrong places. Now let's visit criteria 1 again, and it says we know from this condition what is the correct number. So 2 is correct number, we know that. So 2 is the correct number here and it is in the right place. So 2 fills this position, and let us put this number 8, which is also ruled out. So 8 is not the number anymore we need. Now let's visit criteria 2 again. It says one of the number is correct but in wrong place. See, 4 cannot be the correct number. 4 is in the wrong place and 1 is in the wrong place. So we don't know if we take criteria 2, it could be like this, and we know 2 is taken here. So it could be 1 or 4, or it cannot be 1 here, or it can be 4. So this is how the combination could be. See, 1 here will mean that the number is 1 and it is in the right place, which will fail the criteria 2. So either 1 can be here, and 4, which was in the last place here, it can be either in this place or this place. So now still we do not know which one is the correct number. Now, but we do know that 2 is the correct number and it is here. Now from this criteria we know that both the numbers are correct and they are not in the right place. So in this criteria what happens is, if we put it like this, we know that there are 2 numbers are correct. So 2 is already taken. So 2, this place is taken. 0 was here, but that was also in a wrong place. So the only place 0 can come is here. And if 0 comes here, the only other place that is left is this spot, which is taken by the number 4. So the correct number combination is 0, 4, 2 from this thing. Thank you very much.